This is how you replace the ceramic sharpening wheel on the Ninja K32014 NeverDull knife system. So this knife system has an attachment where you can sharpen the knives that are part of that system. On the back of the device, it does say that you have to change the sharpening wheel every 2 years. What you want to do is take all the knives out and flip it upside down. So the bottom is up, and as you can see, it says for best results. Replace sharpening wheel every 2 years. So you're going to want to have the knife position all the way towards the bottom. So that little lever needs to be towards the bottom of the actual device. Otherwise, the sharpening wheel will be not close to that door. Open the door and drop down the ceramic sharpening wheel. There's just a little latch you can just drop down. It drops down pretty easily. There are two parts that you're going to have to remove. The first part, you're going to latch, there's a latch, and you flip that latch upwards. Once you flip that latch, you're going to have to remove that latch, pull it outwards. It's a little pin holding the actual ceramic wheel, and I'm removing the ceramic wheel. As you can see, it's very dirty. There are a lot of metallic shavings on the wheel, and this is why you need to change it. If you've noticed that your knives are getting a little dirty while you're sharpening them, this is the way to go. As you can see, this is the new sharpening wheel. It is completely clear of those metal shavings. You're going to want to put it in the same orientation that you saw the previous one in. The metal pin, push it towards the inner part and drop the latch. Once you do that, you can just flip the sharpening wheel back to the top, close the door, and you're good to go. If you want to check to see if it's working properly, take one of your knives in that system, and then you can start sharpening. And you can see it is sharpening and the knife feels sharp. I've had this system for about 4 years now, and it is still working well. I'll leave the links in the description below.